The first step of a restoration is to clean your floor with our Intemporel wood soap. Please refer to the appropriate video to review the cleaning procedure. You will need the following items for the restoration of your floor: our Intemporel wood soap, a string or sponge mop, a bucket, a sanding paper 120 grit, an applicator, a cover replacement, a broomstick, a vacuum cleaner, a white cotton cloth, our Intemporel regenerating oil, and a paint tray. Use a brand new sandpaper 120 grit to lightly sand your floors. Sand with a motion parallel to the wood fiber. Sand your floor without excess pressure on the surface. This will open the fibers to allow the oil to penetrate. Vacuum the floor. Shake the can before opening it. Use a stick to steer the bottom of the can. Begin by oiling the perimeter of the room. Apply a thin layer of regenerating oil with a motion parallel to the wood fiber. Stretch your oil as much as possible. Place a clean cotton cloth on the floor and wipe the excess oil using the applicator to ensure only a thin layer stays on the floor. Materials such as cloths used with this product may begin to burn by themselves. After use, soak cloth with water or lay flat to dry, then discard.